Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by reducing system load so OBS can breathe. Close browsers and heavy apps. This frees RAM and CPU cycles for encoding. Next, switch to a wired Ethernet connection or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band to avoid packet loss. Network stability matters even for local recordings with plugins. Finally, pick a fast SSD with at least 20% free space as your recording drive. Once done, make sure OBS runs as administrator so it can access hardware efficiently and avoid permission slowdowns. Now you tweak OBS itself to balance quality and performance. Choose a hardware encoder like NVENC or QuickSync when available because they offload work from the CPU and reduce lag. For rate control, use CBR or VBR with a bitrate suited to content, 6,000 to 12,000 kbps for desktop capture is a good range. This prevents encoder spikes that cause frame drops. If you still see stutter, lower output resolution to 720p or cap frame rate at 30 fps to keep encoding stable. Finish by locking down system and OBS interactions so recording stays smooth. Set OBS process priority to above normal in Task Manager so the OS favors encoding, and enable game mode to reduce background interruptions. Update GPU drivers and firmware for encoder stability. Outdated drivers often cause hiccups. If problems persist, test OBS buffering options like recording buffer or toggling async GPU. One key troubleshooting tip. If frames drop, check CPU/GPU spikes in Task Manager and temporarily lower bitrate or resolution until you identify the resource bottleneck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.